I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 and I'll be showing you how to hide the secure folder from the app screen and the home screen of this phone. Now I'm using the S24 Ultra, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So if you want to hide the secure folder, the first thing you want to do is get into the secure folder. And then once you're inside the secure folder, tap on the three dot button in the upper right side, that one right there, and then select settings. And that's going to take you into your secure folder settings. Now from here, you want to tap on add secure folder to app screen. You want to turn that off. Okay, basically hiding the secure folder from the app screen and the home screen. So confirm you want to hide, and you should see the secure folder disappear. And now it's not going to be on any of your home screens or even any of your app screen. That's how to hide it. Now to access a hidden secure folder, you need to go into settings and then go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to more security settings, and then you can access your secure folder from here. Okay, you can always go to here, turn that on, and then you'll be able to access it, use it, and then you can hide it again if you want to. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.